Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to enable night mode in the Maps.me app on your phone. This feature is perfect for anyone who uses Maps.me at night or in low light conditions because it helps reduce glare and makes navigation easier on your eyes. First, open the Maps.me app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the More option. Then select Settings from the list that appears. After that, scroll down until you see the Appearance option and tap on it. Finally, you'll see the Night Mode toggle. Simply turn it on to activate Night Mode immediately. Your map background will now turn dark, making it more comfortable to use in the evening or while driving at night. That's all you need to do to enable Night Mode in Maps.me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.